Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Chinstrap football is probably one of the most essential pieces of protective gear for any serious player, offering crucial support and stability to prevent injuries during intense gameplay, ensuring you can focus on your performance without worrying about discomfort or slippage, making it a non-negotiable addition to your football arsenal. Number 5. Mission Cooling Bucket Hat. Experience instant cooling with this innovative hat. When activated with water, it cools down significantly in under 30 seconds, providing immediate relief. Activating its cooling technology is simple. Just wet it, wring it out, and wave it to start the cooling process. It stays cool for up to 2 hours. This hat is incredibly lightweight and easy to pack. Its soft structure allows you to fold it small for convenient storage, yet it maintains its shape. Enjoy superior sun protection with its wide brim and UPF 50 fabric. It effectively shields your face, ears, and neck from harmful UV rays. The cooling technology is permanent and chemical-free, ensuring safe and sustainable use. It's also reusable and machine washable for easy care. Keep doing what you love, even in rising temperatures. This hat helps you stay active longer by providing a refreshing cooling sensation. What we like. This hat cools instantly when activated with water, keeping you comfortable for up to 2 hours. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. If you're looking for reliable sun protection and a way to beat the heat during outdoor activities, this is a great choice. What people say. The hat is made from innovative, moisture-wicking fabric that helps keep my head cool and dry, even on the hottest days. It effectively wicks away sweat and provides a refreshing cooling sensation. The waterproof feature is also a game-changer. The hat repels water and dries quickly, which is perfect for unexpected rain showers or when I'm near water. The adjustable drawstring ensures a secure fit, even on windy days, and the hat is easy to pack and carry with me wherever I go. Number 4. ADIDAS Kids Performance Youth Sock Shin Guards. Gear up your young athletes with the ultimate protection. These shin guards are designed for comfort and performance on the field. Specifically crafted for youth players, they offer a secure and comfortable fit. Let them focus on the game, not on their gear. Engineered for peak performance, these guards provide essential impact absorption. They help keep young legs safe during intense play. Made with durable materials, they ensure long-lasting wear and comfort. Your child can train and play with confidence. These sock shin guards integrate seamlessly for a distraction-free experience. They are the ideal choice for any young player's kit. What we like. Designed specifically for young athletes, these shin guards offer a secure and comfortable fit. They provide essential protection for the shins during intense play. If your child plays sports and needs reliable leg protection, these are a solid option. What people say. They are great quality socks, and even better that they hold the shin guards with a pocket so they don't move around or fall out. Much easier to put on and stay in place than the sock, and without the sweaty shin from having the guard directly on your skin. They are also a sleek, non-bulky material. The shin cords had a little pouch so I would not loose them. They slid in easily and were comfy. During my games they protected me from getting hurt, so they were good. I recommend them if you need shin guards. Number 3. SportStar Youth RX Hurricane Gel Chinstrap. Introducing the Youth RX Hurricane Gel Chinstrap. Designed for ultimate comfort and superior protection during intense play. Experience the difference with our advanced gel padding. It molds to your unique shape for a secure and comfortable fit. The secure strapping system ensures it stays in place, no matter how hard you play. Focus on the game, not on adjusting. Specifically engineered for youth players, this chinstrap offers the support and durability needed for competitive sports. With the Youth RX Hurricane, you're equipped for peak performance. Play with confidence and power. What we like. Experience superior comfort and protection with advanced gel cushioning that molds to your jaw. It offers a secure fit to prevent slippage during play. If you're a football player seeking to minimize impacts and stay comfortable, this chinstrap is designed for you. What people say. We used this chin strap for 2 football seasons already. The durability is good. The cushion is comfortable and the snaps are nice, heavy duty and stay put. Functions as it should and clips well to a Riddle Youth helmet. Number 2. SportStar X1 Evolution Gel Chinstrap. Experience the next level of comfort with our advanced gel technology. Designed for superior protection, it ensures you can focus on the game. This chinstrap is meticulously engineered for peak athletic performance. Its innovative design provides a secure and stable fit, allowing for unrestricted movement. Witness the evolution of protective gear. We've redefined what a chinstrap can be, offering enhanced safety and unparalleled comfort. Enjoy a secure, custom-like fit that moves with you. Its ergonomic design maximizes mobility so you can play at your best without distraction. Our signature gel technology offers exceptional cushioning and impact absorption. It provides a soft yet protective layer against your skin. With superior comfort and reliable protection, you can finally focus on what matters most, your game. Play with confidence and peace of mind. What we like. This chinstrap features enhanced gel technology for maximum comfort and protection. Its lightweight design ensures it won't weigh you down during games. If you prioritize comfort and a secure fit while playing football, this is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The chinstrap was the best comfort that there can be. My son had no complaints and he said the gel made it extra comfy when playing or practicing. He says it's much more comfortable than the standard one. Stays in place, and stays dry. He especially loves the gel inside because it feels comfortable against his skin and leaves a cool feeling when he gets all hot. Number 1. SportStar Strap Adapters Buckle Conversion Kit. Introducing the SportStar Strap Adapters, a versatile solution for your needs. Effortlessly convert your existing straps with this innovative kit. This buckle conversion kit is designed for seamless integration. Upgrade your gear with ease and enjoy enhanced functionality. Installation is straightforward, requiring no special tools. Get your new setup ready in minutes. Crafted with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. Rely on its strength for all your adventures. Experience a more secure and comfortable fit. It's the perfect accessory for active lifestyles. This adapter is compatible with a wide range of straps. Enjoy the flexibility it offers for various applications. What we like. Easily convert your existing strap system with this buckle conversion kit. It ensures a secure and reliable fit for your gear. If you're looking for a simple way to upgrade the security and convenience of your football accessories, this adapter is the solution. What people say. It's a pretty quick swap out actually, but sometimes one side or the other has to be worked pretty hard to fit perfectly snug and tight. Once in, we haven't had a failure incident with the kit. Great quality, easy to install and easy to find versus trying to find the zip chin strap. Easy install, good backup system when needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.